Hey guys, it's been a minute since I've done showings. I've never filmed myself on showings before, so forgive me, but I just thought it'd be a great time to do a day in the life of a real estate agent. And so we are gonna show houses today. No matter if it's raining or sunny or snowing, you gotta get out there, show houses. So this particular buyer is a little bit picky. I hate using that word when it comes to real estate, because people are, you know what I mean, they are buying a house. So it's like, this is where they're gonna put their kids, this is where they're gonna put their families. So it's kind of hard to use the word picky when you think about it like that. I mean, you can be picky on what type of dress you want to wear to the prom, but you can't really be picky when it comes to houses. So anyway, so we just saw the first one. We've got 4 on the schedule today, and yeah, it's really fun. I really love showings. We're in such a competitive market for buyers right now that I just really, really enjoy showing houses and writing offers and competing with other offers and being strategic. I feel like that's kind of what gets me going as far as being a real estate agent. And so it's one of my favorite parts of the job, the negotiating factor for offers. So we just need to find the right one, and then we are going to make it happen for my client. He's a little bit nervous. He's nervous to buy houses. Got divorced earlier this year, starting a new life. It's hard. 25 years of marriage and he got divorced. It's hard. Well, he didn't like the second one either. So what happens typically with buyers that kind of get into the picky, just looking at houses constantly, is if they would just kind of bump up their price range that they're looking in, they'll find what they want. But a lot of times when buyers get started, they have a house that they want, they have all the criteria that they have, and they only want to pay X amount for it. So, you know, then they discover real quick that that's not going to work out for them. So I feel like we're kind of in that, where he's discovering that he may have to pay a little bit more to get the exact house that he wants, but I typically let my clients figure that out for themselves. I will tell them that only after a certain point, because I don't really have a pushy style. I more just have a style of just educating. And so, yeah, if my client would just look in a little bit higher price range, he will probably find exactly what he wants. The debate is, do I pay a little bit more and get exactly what I want? Or do I stay under this desired price range and have to concede on some issues? That's the question. On that last one, everything was so cute. It's a 2-story house. It was clean. It was newer. It was actually built in 2004, but they really kept it up and updated some things, so it felt like brand new. The only issue for my sweet client is that it's on a busier street. So, that sucks. Something tells me, though, he might change his mind about that. So we're going to one more. It's kind of hard to film showings, but I think if people like it and want to watch showings, then I think I'll try and do it more often. So the funny thing about it is when people ask me about being a real estate agent, this is what they think it is the majority of the time. Like they think it's, oh, I love houses and I love different decor, and I love different layouts, and I love doing all that. And that's part of it, yes. But that is definitely a very small portion of the job. So it's a fun thing to do. Like looking at houses is a super fun thing to do, but it's minor. Really, like the day-to-day is, real estate agents are putting out fires. That's what they're doing for a living. And they're negotiating contracts. Similar to, what is it similar to? They're negotiating constantly. Negotiating on offers, negotiating on repairs, negotiating on appraisal issues. Basically, just negotiating is the key factor in being a real estate agent, and I don't think a lot of people really understand that. Looking at the house is just the beginning. It's definitely not the entirety of the job. I will say that with all of the growth that Utah's experiencing, doing showings during the most peak traffic hours of the day is a nightmare. But I know that Utah's not as bad as other places like California or whatever, but I lived here my whole life. The last couple years, with all the growth we're experiencing, the traffic is getting unreal. It drives me crazy. It's like we're only going on 4 showings today, and it's taking us like almost 3 hours. It's crazy. So we're done with all the showings. It's getting dark outside, which is good. We're done before it's dark. Didn't have a lot of luck today. It's really hard to get footage of the house. I want to show you guys the house. I try to record the houses so you guys can kind of see what Utah style is like, but I'm also trying to sell the house. So it's kind of difficult to film and then show the house and do my job. So anyway, no luck, no offers getting written tonight, and you know what, that's the way of it sometimes, so it's okay. I'm okay with it. My client is super nice. He's just really great. I really want to do a good job for him. Inventory is so low across the country right now, particularly in Utah. Our market is so aggressive right now, so hopefully we can find him something soon. Anyway, I'm glad. I hope you guys enjoyed coming on showings with me today. I'm going to drive home and eat dinner with my family and hang out with my son. So he had karate tonight, so hopefully that went good. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and comment down below, and definitely subscribe if you want to live empowered, and we will see you next time. Bye.